Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. We're going to jump into the price of Bitcoin. It's pumping, it's going back into an ascending, back into this channel that we've been talking about, which is very good news for Bitcoin, altcoins, and the crypto market in general. Hit the subscribe button, join 72,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I'm sitting here with the beautiful Slavic, and he just made a video talking about what's going to happen to Bitcoin and his big trades also on the channel, which is beautiful. What do you think?
My first $100,000 today.
He did his first 100,000. No, I remember you did a $100,000 trade the day we met. It was around there.
No, this was, but before I made officially videos. When I fucked up, when I was new, when I made cross margin.
Be careful with cross margin. Make sure you use isolated margin.
Yeah, this is very important. Isolate margin is very important. If you make cross margin, you will be left without trousers, brothers. It's very important.
Yeah, that was crazy. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. What do you think is going to be happening to Bitcoin? Quick summary.
Yeah, I think if we break above 48,800, we are going to 42,000. If we break under 4 only EMA ribbon, we go 39,500.
Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And by the way, I predicted like shit Elon Musk buying Tesla in March. If you saw my tweets, if you follow me on Twitter, I'll show you that as well, which is amazing. He bought it yesterday. This is Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly, we're back inside the channel, which is really nice. If we zoom out, you can see this channel that Bitcoin's been moving. This is the last since January 2022. You can see we've been moving between $36,000, $46,000, $37,000, $47,000, $38,000, $47,000, and Bitcoin has been climbing up this channel. And then 2 days ago, we broke underneath it, and it looked pretty bearish, but it's got back inside. On the 4 hourly, we're now overbought on the stochastic, but this looks like a V-shaped recovery here, which is quite interesting. This is a V-shaped recovery pattern, which is bullish. We also had a lot of buying volume come into Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Let's look on the daily. So we'll zoom out a little bit. On the daily, we had a giant wick. This is a bullish wick. You can see that it's like the amount of money that Bitcoin moved on the day. We had this big drop and then a big recovery. That's bullish. We can see here we also had a big drop, big recovery, and then a big movement up. This is the same, big drop, big recovery. So this is quite, on this support at the 37,000, you can see multiple times Bitcoin has been bouncing off or being resisted. This 37,000 is a major support. Now we're looking bullish. Stochastic on the daily is heading up, which is very nice. RSI is heading up on Bitcoin, also very nice. MACD is turning to head up. So this could be getting ready for a big run for Bitcoin. It's looking bullish now. Let's go back into the 4 hourly. MACD is heading up strongly. Stochastic is overbought a little bit, but still heading up. RSI still got more to go. So it's looking bullish for Bitcoin right now. We seem to be in this kind of, here is a resistance point at the $40,000 mark. EMA ribbons on the 4 hourly, we're back above the EMA ribbons. Let's see if Bitcoin can stay. For a long time, it hasn't been able to stay above the EMA ribbon. So let's see if it's bottoming out. But this, again, was a V-shaped recovery. Another V-shaped recovery was back here on 18th of April before we had this big movement to 42,000. Now we have it again. Let's see if we can go back up to the top. And here we have a broadening wedge. This is a very bullish pattern. You can see this. This is a broadening wedge. This one here. It's a bullish pattern. It's a broadening megaphone or broadening wedge. And usually these are bullish. They bounce like this, and it should be going to the upper end of this wedge, which would take us to $44,000 for Bitcoin. And then broadening wedges usually break out. I'll show you what I mean. This is I didn't click it. Okay, let's open it here. This is a broadening wedge pattern. You can see here, broadening wedge, and it's a bullish pattern. It bounces out, it climbs, and then it breaks out to the upside. And that seems to be what we're having right now on Bitcoin. So if that breaks out, first target will be 44, and if that breaks to the upside, the next target will be the $50,000 mark. So broadening wedge is playing out, which is beautiful. We could have something like this. Let's draw. Okay, I'll just draw it quickly. Coming up, bouncing off 44, coming down or breaking out, and then going up towards the 50K. So it's looking bullish for Bitcoin. I'm currently long on Bitcoin. If I wasn't long, I would open another long now. Here with the stop loss just below this major support area here, at 37,000, 38,000, and the take profit I would put at the upper end of this target. So I'd put it up here at the 50,000. That's a nice ratio trade. It's risking $2,200 to make $9,600. So a very nice risk to reward ratio trade. Risking again $2,200 to make 9,600. 10x leverage, that'll be $90,000 of profits. So that's a really nice trade to be taking. I have a trade open on Bitcoin. If you want to trade the way you're seeing me do, underneath this video, where is it? Underneath the video, in the description and pin comment down below. If you go down, oops, 1 second. Here, if you go down below underneath the video, hit the subscribe button, and you can see if you sign up to Bybit, you get $4,600 of bonuses when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. Femex, you get 4,100. NordVPN if you have any restrictions, and you can take the cryptocurrency master course. I have more than 6,000 students taking my course where you learn technical analysis, day trading, etc. These links are in the description and pin comment. If you sign up to Bybit, $4,600 bonuses when you deposit Bitcoin. This is my trading account. In here, I have $201,900, which is almost up $2,000 since yesterday. I'm mainly in USDT, 134,000 USDT. I've got CRV. I bought 20,000 of it yesterday. Now it's up to 1,200. I'm going to buy more CRV. Okay, after I check out Bitcoin. Bit, I bought $19,000, up 4.8%, which is beautiful. So I've got Bit, CRV, and mostly USDT. My Bitcoin trade from yesterday is up 39%, $778, which is beautiful. My take profit is at the 50,000. If it hits 50,000, that'll be a $5,500 trade. So it's looking good on that sort of thing, on that side of things. Now let's look at CRV. I would actually add more to Bitcoin here on this recovery play, but I would wait till Bitcoin retest this trend line. So I'd actually move I'll move it there. And then the take profit, I'll still keep at 50K. So I'll add more to the trade at 40,600. So I'm going to add more to this trade. This trade is a $20,000 trade. So I'm going to add another, it's 10x leverage. So I'll add another $20,000 at 40,600. So I'll add another $2,000 at 40,600 of Bitcoin, which is $20,000 added to the trade. Confirm. Beautiful. So now I've got an order set. If Bitcoin comes down to 40,600, we'll add more to this long position, which is beautiful. So that's my trade on Bitcoin. Let's check out CRV and Bit, because Cake I'm no longer stacking. After they did this, I sold my Cake yesterday before this drop, because after they removed the APY, it's just not in my interest to be holding Cake anymore. They removed the main APY. On Bit, we have a double top here. Interesting. There's a double top formation here on Bit. One top. That's a double top. Let's see if it can break through here. However, it is making an inverse head and shoulders on the daily. If I zoom out, so that's bullish. Next stop for Bit is $1.36. So let's see if it can break through there. That's the next target. I would actually be adding more to Bit here, but that's a double top on the shorter time frame. Let's look on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're very close to the bottom here. It's also making a W formation, so it looks like this double top will be invalidated. So we should be having a breakout to at least this support, $1.57. So I'll buy more of Bit. Let's check out CRV. CRV, I'm very bullish of. This project has 20 billion total value locked in its protocol. 20 billion. You heard that right. And the market cap is only 1.3 billion. So this is CRV charts. It's on a major support area here. Bounced quite a few at $1.90. Volume is coming in. It looks really nice, actually. RSI is starting to head up. Stochastic on the daily is overbought. So on the daily, it's overbought a little bit. The MACD is turning to head up. So I would actually be buying CRV. The next major resistance, there's no major resistance until here, $3.30. So it's got another 30% movement. So I actually be buying more CRV here to get to that. So I'm going to add more to CRV. I'm going to buy another $20,000 worth of CRV. Let's see at the shorter time frame. On the hourly, I'm going to look what it shows on the shorter time frame if I should be buying. On hourly, we've got this cup and handle formation. Ooh, this is a nice cup and handle. As I teach you in the crypto course, this is a nice cup and handle, which is a bullish formation. So the target will be $3.30. So I'm going to buy another $20,000 of CRV at the current price. Buy CRV, confirm. My order is filling. I'm buying it right now, 7,200 CRV, which is around $20,000. So those are my trades. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit, and you get that $4,600 bonus, and take the Crypto Master course with 6,000 students. And also, I'm going to be giving away, check out this, everyone. There's a new design from MCRT. Check out this new interface. So this is one of the characters from MCRT, the mage coming to life. This is the new interface, one of the new interfaces for inside the game of Magicraft. This is what the HUD is going to look like, which just looks cool. This is the studios are building it. This is one of the characters from Magicraft World. This is just the design specs at the moment. They're still creating it. But this is all Magic Craft designs by our studios, so it's really coming together very nicely. This is just the UI interface, what it's going to look like. The game is going to be epic. This is some of our team from the Magic Craft world. This is just some of our team. We have also our development studio, the dev studio. We also have our own developers. These are some of our KOLs that are in the project: Da Vinci, MM Crypto, Carl from the Moon, Slavic, Alex, Crypto Mo, a lot of different influences there. These are some of our designer Dave is actually from World of Warcraft. So we have some epic people from our team, part of Magic Craft World, which is going to be beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Join 72,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This broadening wedge plays out. Bitcoin 44K, then 50K, which is very beautiful. See you again tomorrow.